Toyota released something huge still last year, and you're not ready for it. The 2025 GR86 is back, and it's bringing some serious heat. But here's the big question. Is it still the most budget-friendly car for thrills? Let's find out. First things first, this isn't just a car, it's an experience. The Toyota GR86 is proof that you can still have insane fun without selling your kidneys. A lightweight, rear-wheel drive coupe with ridiculously tiny back seats. Because who needs them when you're too busy having the time of your life behind the wheel? But wait, Toyota just revived the legendary Hakone Special Edition, and it's got the premium trim and the performance pack from last year's True Uno edition. We're talking Sachs dampers, Brembo brakes, bigger rotors, 18-inch wheels, and your choice of manual or automatic. But here's the catch. Only 860 units exist. That's it. Sure, let's talk numbers. With an auto, you get 21 miles per gallon city, 31 miles per gallon highway. With a manual, it drops to 20 miles per gallon city, 27 miles per gallon highway. But who buys a GR86 for gas mileage? If you do, we need to talk. Inside, it's simple, it's sporty, and yes, those back seats are still a joke. But up front, it's surprisingly roomy. Plus, you get an 8-inch infotainment screen, a 7-inch digital gauge cluster with normal, sport, and track modes, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. Oh, and premium trims? You get an 8-speaker sound system. So what's the damage? The 2025 GR86 starts at $31,085 and can climb up to $36,405 depending on the trim. But for that price, you're getting a 228 horsepower, 2.4-liter flat-4 Subaru engine. Not a supercar, but this thing can move. And let's be real, manual drivers, this one's for you. The 2025 Toyota GR86 keeps that pure driving magic alive. It's fast, it's fun, and it's a dying breed. Will this be the last of its kind? Let me know in the comments. Wait! Before you go, 87% of you watch but don't like the video. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a drop. More insane car content coming your way. Until next time, and stay safe.